Are you searching for the best robot vacuum cleaners? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaners in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. Robot Vacuum Cleaner Liectroux Lilin XR500 LDS Lidar Laser System. Product name Liectroux XR500 Robot Vacuum Cleaner Laser Lidar Navigation. Main features: high-end configuration Epson chip, Nitic motor, LG battery, 3000 mAh. Works with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Lidar plus SLAM dual location. 5 cm 8 meter radar range. Real-time object detection. Scans and maps the room, plans and methodically cleans according to map. Wi-Fi app. Controlled, real-time construction map. Smart electric-controlled water tank, hand-drawing virtual blocker on app, drawing cleaning area on app. Map, upload and storage on app, support multi-floor map. Storage, max 5. Breakpoint, resumable cleaning adjustable suction power. Japan neck brushless fan electrical and mechanical double anti-collision design. Voice guidance. Anti-winding V-shape floating roller brush. Double filter, primary and HEPA. Time schedule cleaning system. Obstacle crossing, 18mm in-mold decoration, IMD surface. Nitic brushless motor, imported from Japan. Epson chip imported from Japan.